A remarkable breakthrough in cancer research has given hope to millions as scientists at the City of Hope, a leading cancer research and treatment institute in the US, unveil a game-changing cancer-killing molecule. This newly discovered cancer-killing pill kills solid tumors through targeted chemotherapy. The revolutionary pill targets and annihilates all solid cancer tumors while leaving healthy cells unharmed, making it a potential holy grail in cancer therapy. The drug in question, dubbed AOH 1996, works by targeting a specific cancerous protein variant called a proliferating cell nuclear antigen. So, how does AOH 1996 help treat cancer? The drug in question, dubbed AOH 1996, works by targeting a specific cancerous protein variant called a proliferating cell nuclear antigen. This protein is vital in DNA being able to replicate and therefore tumors being able to spread. This is where AOH 1996 differs from other targeted cancer treatments. Most other tend to focus just on a single pathway. However, that method can result in the cancer mutating and becoming more resistant to treatment. Data suggests pCNA is uniquely altered in cancer cells, and this fact allowed the researchers to design a drug that targeted only the form of pCNA in cancer cells. Researchers say that cancer-killing pill is like a snowstorm that closes a key airline hub, shutting down all flights in and out only in planes carrying cancer cells. The mutated form of pCNA has long been deemed challenging to target for therapy, but the researchers have achieved the unimaginable, developing the molecule AOH 1996, which effectively targets and kills the mutated pCNA, shutting down cancer cells. This groundbreaking therapy is the culmination of 2 decades of dedicated research and development. Named after Anna Olivia Healy, a young girl born in 1996 who tragically lost a battle with cancer, AOH 1996 is a testament to the perseverance of scientists in their quest to find a breakthrough treatment for this relentless disease. In tests, AOH 1996 was found to be useful in treating breast, prostate, brain, ovarian, cervical, skin, and lung cancers. It selectively kills cells by disrupting how those cells reproduce. This process is known as apoptosis, and it prevents cell with damaged DNA from spreading throughout the body. More clinical trials are slated to help test this drug for future use. City of Hope's mission is to deliver the cures of tomorrow to the people who need them today. Founded in 1913, City of Hope has grown into one of the largest cancer research and treatment organizations in the US and one of the leading research centers for diabetes and other life-threatening illnesses. City of Hope research has been the basis for numerous cancer breakthrough medicines as well as human synthetic insulin and monoclonal antibodies. With an independent National Cancer Institute designated comprehensive cancer care at its core, City of Hope brings a uniquely integrated model to patients, spanning cancer care, research and development, academics and training, and innovation initiatives.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.